Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday it broke $68, which was our support yesterday. That is $68. It went up to $61 and now finally bouncing back and testing $75. Today we have plethora of data. We have average hourly monthly earnings from US non-farm payroll numbers, US unemployment rate, US final services and US ISM services and US monthly factory orders. So there are too many data to handle. So make sure you have a very strict stop loss if you have any position in market, especially when the data is due. We will be discussing all the data in our live stream. Live stream channel link is in description. I usually start live stream around 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. Currently, gold prices are trading at. Today, markets could be very wild, especially when the data will come. So make sure you have no position, or if have position, then I have already said that make sure you have a very strict stop loss. So let's go dive into the resistance and support, then we will talk further. 1782 will act as resistance today. If market breaks 1782 and sustain above that level, then expect 1790 and 1800. However, is support at $1760, below 1760 expect 1750 and 1740. These levels are valid till data only. I will refresh these data after the data. After the data, I will refresh these levels and will upload the new levels. You can check new levels on my live stream channel link in description. I will start live streaming before 30 minutes before the data. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Yesterday it went up to 1218 and then 1221. Now it is trying to recover, but still it is trading in weak zone. It haven't recovered from negative to positive as of now. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. 2260 will act as resistance now. If market break 2260 and sustain above that level, then expect 2290 and 2320. Support at 2210. If market break 2210 and sustain below that level, then expect 2190 and 2160. Make sure you have a very strict stop loss and make sure you know the refresh level. For refresh level, you must join my live stream around 30 minutes before the data. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. It finally made low around 62.50 and recovered more than $5 from the lowest point. Do you think it have returned in positive zone, or do you think still it is trading in weak zone? If you guessed that it has entered in positive zone, then you are right. Let's have a look at resistance and support now. $65 will act as support now. If market breaks $65 and sustain below that level, then expect $64 and $63. Resistance at $68.70. That is the resistance. If oil break 68.70 and sustain above that level, then expect $70 and $72. Currently, crude oil is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Forex. Then we will see Bitcoin and Indian market Mcx levels. This is Euro. It has broke the 1310, which was the support yesterday, and now trading 1294 after making lows around 1290. It is trading in weak zone as it has broke around 1310. We will see wild moves in Euro as well today because there will be data, as I have already discussed that. So let's have a look at resistance and support. for now, and these levels also will be valid till data only. After the data, I will refresh these levels also. 1320 will act as resistance now. If euro break 1320 and sustain above that level, then only we will see some positivity and some fresh buying in euro. If market break 1320 and sustain above that level, then expect 1350 and 1380. However, if euro break 1260 and sustain below that level, then expect 1230 and 1200 in euro. Currently euro is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly and make sure you does not take a trade around the data. Let's move on to pound. Then we will say Bitcoin and MCX. Currently pound is trading 32.86. It is trading in a very narrow range since it's broke here. So let me give you the levels because the trend is pretty flat. Resistance stands at 33.10. If market break 33.10, then only we will see some fresh buying up to 33.40 and 33.70. Support at 32.70. Below 32.70, expect 32.50 and 32.30. Currently, pound is in weak zone, flat zone, so trade accordingly. I will also refresh these levels around data. Let's move on to Bitcoin, shall we? These are the levels from yesterday. Yesterday, it made low around $56,000, but it didn't break the resistance or support. So these levels should be valid, but resistance has to be changed because of a little crash it had. $57,700 will be the resistance now. Support will remain same. The trend is remains same. Nothing have changed in resistance, in support and trend. So let's move on to MCX levels. This is MCX. Currently gold prices are trading 47,600. Interestingly, gold prices are getting a boost from USD INR. So make sure you factor that if you are looking to trade. I will give these MCX levels right now in video, and I will also refresh these levels around 5 p.m. when USD INR will be closing. MCX gold resistance stands at 47,750 rupees, support at 480 rupees. 47 480 support, 750 is resistance. Silver is trading 61,230 rupees. Silver resistance stands at 61,650. Support stands at 60,300 rupees. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. And make sure you join live stream channel link in description and on your screen right now as well. See you in live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.